fuck, it's probably gonna be a shit, it's probably gonna be every bit of a fucking. You see, he's got a little driftage here, folks. That's an extra $10 for the drift. Fuck. Huh. That'd be interesting. Fuck him. Oh. Fuck, I have to charge for the driftage. Got a little driftage jackage. A little driftage. Yeah, that's what happens when you move out here, you get that driftage. Ain't no big deal. Big deal. Let's get him. Get him on the old driftage. A little spickle spackle. Do the old back drag on her. Kick her up to the side. Drag her on back down here. What we like to do. Yeah, normally I like to charge an extra 10 for the drifts or so. Just have to see what happens. This is a progressive thing. Probably gonna have to come all the way out here to do this guy's place. It's gonna be a $65 fee. Couple swipes here. Burn maybe 10-15 minutes with that. Folks, this Boss snow plow is one way to go. I had one on my big truck. D-plow. D-plows are fucking brutal, man. These are the best rigs to have. Nobody builds a better plow than Boss. Period. Excellent rigs. Especially if you got a lot of snow, you can pile it up, group it up. They're just built good, built in the United States of America, not Michigan. We combed her pretty good. It's got a little driftage up here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up this wing here and I'm going to fucking meat fuck this side here. Drag her on back. I normally don't like doing this because then I don't get charged to come back out and get paid, you know. Normally I'll just let it drift again. Because I do by the push, not by the season, folks. Now he's got white rock underneath this. He's a tight bastard. He ain't gonna put any new down, so I don't like to drag it out. You go pushing it like this, the ground's just got cold the last couple of days. Again, we have a lot of freezing thaws. You go pushing it, it just rolls the rock. So I drag it. I don't use the feet that come with them. I fucking sell them back to the dealership. I don't like them. They dig in. Fuck. If you know how to use a plow right, you won't need the motherfuckers anyway. I always say them fucking snow feeder for beginners. Just feel it in the rig. I should just fucking plow the fucking entrance to this thing. That'll fucking drive them nuts. But we probably won't do that. Probably just fucking bring her on in and fucking put a little sprinkle spackle. A little sprinkle spackle for him. This guy's a cheap motherfucker. Folks, nice job. I'll call the guy here and get a $50 bill from him.